Good morning, student. Today we are going to study hidden goodwill. In partnership, goodwill has more effect. You already have observed in the admission chapter. Now, I take a new situation regarding how retirement of partner, what type of hidden goodwill situation is. So, here is the situation I have already taken. So, first you observe the situation. The question is that A, B and C are partners sharing profit 1 is to 2 is to 3. Okay. In this situation, C is going to be retired. Okay. C is going to be retired. And it is also mentioned that his capital after making adjustment of reserve, gain of profit on revaluation is rupees 2,20,000. Okay. But A and B agreed to pay him 2,50,000 in full settlement of his claim. My dear student, it's simply observed that you have to see A and B is going to pay 2,50,000 rupees. That is called 30,000 rupees is excess. So, while sometime they have paid lump sum amount. So, what is the excess amount? You calculate the excess amount paid to C. What is the excess amount paid to the C? That is 2,15,000. Okay, minus 2,20,000 is equal to 30,000. Simple, my dear student. This 30,000 is paid in excess. Okay, so it is called hidden goodwill of. It is called hidden goodwill. Okay, my dear student, hidden goodwill, because it is after calculation. You observe that hidden goodwill value is 30,000 rupees. Now your next task is that you calculate the gaining ratio. You have already know the gaining ratio formula, that new ratio minus old ratio. Okay, so in this question A and C are the existing partner. So A's gaining ratio is equal to, what is the new ratio of A? 1/4. Okay, 1/4 minus, what is the old ratio of A? You see here 1, 2, 3 plus 3, 6. 1/6. Okay. Okay, how do you calculate? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, 1/6. Okay, so you calculate and take the LCM of 24. Okay, after taking LCM, you divide by 4. 24 is equal to 6 minus, you have again divide by this one. How much? 4. So you have got 2/24. My dear student, you calculate the gaining ratio of B. Why? B is also existing partner. So you calculate B's gaining ratio. Okay. So what is the new ratio of B? 3/4. Okay. So you mention 3/4 minus, what is the old ratio of B? That here 2/6. Okay. So 2/6. You calculate the LCM. 24 divide by 4, 6, 6, 3, 18. Okay, minus, you divide by 6, 4 minus 12. Okay, so 6/24. Okay, so you observe that your gaining ratio is 2/6. That you cut it down, 1:3. Okay, so 1:3 is the gaining ratio. So my dear student, you have to that 1:3. So you observe here. You observe that how to calculate gaining ratio. So you just see gaining ratio of A is equal to old ratio. What is the old ratio? New ratio 1/4 minus 1/6. LCM is 12. Okay, now you just subtract 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 12. Okay, so what is the gaining ratio of B is equal to gaining ratio of B is equal to 3 by 4 minus 2 by 6. Okay, 12 upon 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 by 12. So gaining ratio is equal to 1:5. Okay, so this 30,000 rupees is going to be distributed into 30,000 multiply 1 by 6, 30,000 multiply 5 by 6, you put it here, 5,000, 5,000, 5,000 and here 25,000. Okay, so my dear student, what do you observe? C is gaining partner, C is retiring partner. Okay, C is retiring partner. You pass the journal entry. You pass the journal entry. What is the journal entry? Who is going to pay? A and C. So A's capital account, debit. A's capital account, debit. B's capital account, debit. To C's capital account. Okay. How much goodwill is here? 30,000. So 30,000 rupees is goodwill, and A is going to pay 5,000. B is going to pay 25,000. Okay. So in the same situation, you observe, my dear student. Once we have to recall what is the situation here. Our topic is hidden goodwill. Why? Because A and B have agreed to pay 2,50,000. It means they have already paid 2,50,000. But actual calculation of C's payment is 2,20,000 rupees only. So it means the firm paid excess amount to C. How much? 30,000 rupees. This 30,000 rupees is called the hidden goodwill. Okay. This hidden goodwill of whom? C. So as you know that goodwill amount is paid in the gaining ratio by existing partner. Here existing partners are A and B. So we have already calculated the gaining ratio, that is 1:5. Okay, 1:5 means 1 by 6, 5 by 6. You calculate how much amount paid by A. A paid 30,000 multiply 1 by 6 is equal to 5,000. Calculate how much amount paid by B. B paid 30,000 multiply 5 by 6 is equal to 25,000. Okay, simple. So that thing is going to be put it in the journal entry. Journal entry format is given. Okay, you have to draw your format. A's capital account debit 5,000. B's capital account debit 25,000 to C's capital account 30,000. It means A and B is going to pay 30,000 in gaining ratio, that is 5,000 plus 25,000 rupees. Okay, I hope you have already understand this thing. So my dear student, it is very important sometime due to the risk calculation in long question. Thank you.